single day. I'm gonna make.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Fabricating Fringe. Now I don't have the hair on just yet because I want to show you something that I'm really excited about and I'm very grateful for. Michelle from MiMo Wigs, Bald Barbie, we've done some collaborations together. She's absolutely amazing. If you haven't watched her, go follow her. I will have that link down below. Michelle from Scotland, my wee friend, my wee Scottish friend. I can't do it. I can't do the accent. I'm really bad at it, but her accent is amazing. Michelle from MiMo Wigs, she is absolutely adorable. She's so funny, and you know, that has nothing to do with the hair that I'm showing, but she's the one that owns MiMo Wigs. And look at this box. Look at this box. That's one thing about this gal. She goes the extra mile. If you have ever received hair from MiMo Wigs, it's always packaged beautifully. I wish I would have shown you guys how gorgeous it was packaged. That's half the fun with receiving anything from MiMo Wigs, is the beautiful packaging. So she definitely does go the extra mile with everything that she does, and I'm always so impressed with the detail and the work that she puts into what she does. She puts a lot of heart and love into everything. Now, this box is also very beautiful. This sparkly, shiny everything. I mean, wow, right? It's nice and heavy duty. Michelle from MiMo Wigs does have her own line of gorgeous human hair, and I want to show you a couple pieces today. First of all, this is some beautiful, beautiful silk top Russian European Remy human hair. Now this cap construction is wefted, although the one that she has available on her website is fully hand tied. So do take note of that. This one is wefted, but she does have it available in a fully hand tied cap. Now this is a cap that has your silk top and a lace front. You can see that lace front right there. I did trim that lace, by the way, so that has already been done by me because I have worn this out. This is very comfortable. This is 23 inches of gorgeous human hair, and this shade is number 8. This was raw human hair, but they did add a toner to it, and oh my goodness, it's just beautiful. Look at this silk top. Okay, so let's put this on. I haven't styled this one, so it does look a little kinked, but I just wanted to quickly show you guys how awesome this human hair is from MiMo Wigs. Look how beautiful. The cap is nice and tight and snug. It feels wonderful, very comfortable. Here's that lace top. Amazing top, multi-directional parting. You can part it wherever and have that realistic scalp area. This human hair feels very soft, very luxurious. I think I want to actually put some waterfall waves in this hair. I just haven't had the chance to do it yet. Look how beautiful! So, so pretty. Michelle does a lot of research. She knows her stuff, and she carries some very high quality hair in her store. Just like her boxes, her wrapping, and everything else that she does, it's always top notch, and it's always the extra mile. And this beautiful human hair is no exception. Now, before I move on to the next one, I actually want to point out these eyelashes I'm wearing. Can you guys see them? Michelle also has eye wigs, false lashes. Look at these. Her false lashes are some of my favorite available. This style that I have on is the same style as what I'm holding right here, and it's called Yasmin. I believe that's her daughter's name. How sweet is that? They're very, very pretty. So if you have interest in eye wigs as well, a lot of people with hair loss, alopecia, lack of hair, they deal with lack of eyebrows and eyelashes as well. I know I do, so when I do get fully ready, I like to put on a pair of eyelashes because I can remove them at the end of the day, just like my alternative hair, and they just give your eyes that pop. So yes, I love, love, love these eyelashes from MiMo Wigs. And look at that packaging, sparkly, beautiful. Again, extra mile. That's all she does. She goes the extra mile. I don't know how this lady does it. I don't know. All right, you guys. Gorgeous human hair from MiMo Wigs. Now let's try the other one on. All right, so I have not styled this one at all. It does need a little bit of some heat styling, but I'm just gonna plop this on. Oh, actually, you know what? Let's talk about the cap construction. This is a cute little bob. This is Remy European Human Hair. This cute wig is 12 inches long. This has a monofilament top. And this is a closed wefted cap. These specific caps, these specific wigs will not be closed wefted on her website. It will be fully hand tied, so just FYI. I love this wig. This is not a lace front. It has a monofilament top, and I think it's adorable. This one that I have right here, I can just have fun with. I might put some color in it. Ooh, it's gonna be so fun. Don't look at the style itself because it is human hair and I have not touched it with a curling iron or anything, but wouldn't this be adorable with some cute curls, some waves, or even bone straight? That's the beauty of human hair, is you can do whatever you want with it, style it however you wish. I'll do a full turnaround. I love this, perfect for summer. You guys can see these gorgeous European human hair wigs over at MiMo Wigs, www.mimowigs.com. Michelle has a wide, huge range of wigs in all different brands, all different, price ranges. So I just love that about Michelle. She just wants to reach everybody's needs, wants, desires, their circumstances, and there is a wig out there for everybody. I sure do love this gorgeous human hair from Michelle. I just think that Michelle is a beautiful soul. She is so kind and giving, and if you guys have any questions, just reach out to Michelle. She is so helpful, and I am proud to call her a friend. Okay, you guys, if you have any questions about this human hair from MiMo Wigs, comment below. Check out my Instagram because I'm going to go ahead and style these cute wigs with some curling irons and flat irons since I didn't do it prior to reviewing. I'm sorry about that, guys. I just was in such a hurry to get this stuff up here and show you guys the quality of this hair, the gorgeous, rich color. I mean, I'm really, really impressed. Now, comment below. Let me know what you think. Go follow MiMo. Love her to death. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.